Hey guys, so yes, it is me and it's 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm off from work. Training went well today. Tomorrow's going to be a stressful day because we're taking our first calls tomorrow. So anyway, I wanted to come in and give you guys a little heads up about this again, which is the Vegan Valley, and it's nacho cheddar cheese sauce. When I tell you this stuff is delicious, and if you're trying to get off cheese, like myself, I haven't had any cheese now for, I think it's been 3 weeks now. So I'm getting there. So this is the way to go. This is vegan, it's dairy-free, gluten-free, plant-based, and it contains cashews and the herbs to make it smell like nachos. And when I tell you this stuff tastes just like nacho cheese, look at that. Look at this. See how thick that is? Just like cheese, right? It's been in the refrigerator, so it's cold. That's what it looks like. This stuff is good. Sorry, top of my mouth full, but it tastes like nacho cheese. So try this. Whole Foods. If you're in Nashville, Turnip Truck. Good stuff. And I wanted to tell you about one other thing. I tried this today. I did open these earlier. These came from Krogers, and basically I just had a few for like snacks. And Sister Rosa wanted me to let her know what they tasted like. And this is what it is right here. It's the Cinnamon Heaven. This is what they look like. And they're really good. Just like this. And these are gluten-free, non-GMO. And you can taste the cinnamon. They're really good. So yeah, go get you some of these too. So it says the old standby with milk, on the run snacking, go nuts with almond milk, or perfect in a parfait, which is yogurt. I don't eat yogurt because it's dairy. And you have your whole grains, and it's gluten-free, oats, brown rice, millet, quinoa, and what else does it say? It's gluten-free, it's kosher, high in fiber, full serving of whole grains, dairy-free, egg-free, corn-free, zero trans fat, no artificial flavors or colors, and it's cholesterol-free. So good stuff all the way around. And these were 2 boxes for $6 at Krogers. So yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna close this back up. I will talk to you guys later, and I think I'll come back to y'all maybe tomorrow when I do my 3-bean vegan chili, because I'm gonna be putting some of this good old stuff over my vegan chili. I'm gonna let y'all see how that tastes. I'm gonna show y'all how it tastes. Show you what it looked like. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.